In this video, let's see how to enable high contrast keyboard on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to accessibility option. In here, click on vision enhancement option. You can see here high contrast keyboard option, click on it. Now you can enable it using this icon. You can see this is black letters on yellow keypad. You can see 4 options in here. Now I select second one. This is second one preview. This is third one keyboard preview. This is fourth one high contrast keyboard preview. If you like to use high contrast keyboard, you can enable this feature.